what arrived. Look what arrived. Exciting 100K. Thank you, thank you, thank you. There's so many things I want to say, but the first thing I want to say is this. To everyone who's watching, 7 months ago, I saw a picture of Gary Daz holding this beautiful award, and I was thinking, wow, like that's what I want to achieve and beyond, but I want to reach that milestone. I had my eyes set on the 10K and wanted to reach this milestone. I thought, it just seems so far away, and for those of you who are feeling like this is far away for you, it's not. All I did was truly, truly, truly believe I could do it and believe in myself and completely immerse myself into COA, learn from the greatest, learning from Ed and the team. And honestly, I just had to get over a few mindset blocks. I needed to learn a lot of new ways. And that combined with stepping into my own power and giving my clients everything that I've got has completely transformed my life. And I absolutely adore learning from you, Ed. I love it. I love it. I just enjoy it so much. I think you're fantastic. Ed, my goodness, what a ride. I'm so grateful for you. I have so much respect for you. You are a leading champion. I'm so grateful I came across you, and I'm so grateful for your team. Dave, remarkable at your mastery, phenomenal. Laura, Ilula, Ava, Carla, Kevin, Nick, even Ed's assistant, Ariel, Little Mermaid. You're all phenomenal. You all are, and all those of you who I haven't spent time with yet in the COA team, truly, you all truly are champions, and champions breed champions, and that's what this is all about. So I want to say thank you, thank you, thank you, and thank you to family, the familia. Thank you so much. You are all incredible, inspiring human beings, and I just adore you all so much. The support, the love, the kindness. For those of you who've been watching my journey, I've been watching yours too, and I'm so proud of you all, and I'm so grateful for the support and love that I receive from so many of you, and I'm just, really grateful for you. So thank you all. You're all wonderful. And thank you to those of you who are especially close to me, who have had a closer look at this journey. But thank you. Here we go, 100K. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Seven figures, 8 figures. You can make it happen. Let's do this. Big kisses to each and every one of you. 100K, yo!